simulate to learn. Practice makes perfect. Simulation learning is like a practice session where you actually get to try things out instead of just watching or listening. It's like playing a game that teaches you real skills. Instead of just reading or hearing about stuff, you get to do it yourself. It's like learning to ride a bike by actually getting on and pedaling. Ever played a game over and over until you got really good at it? That's what simulation learning does. It helps you remember things so well that you can do them without even thinking. Ever wondered why you're learning something in school? Simulation learning shows you how to use what you've learned in real life, making it more useful and interesting. Like learning to swim in a pool before diving into the ocean, simulation learning lets you practice without worrying about messing up. It boosts your confidence so you feel ready for anything. Life is full of puzzles, and simulation learning helps you become a pro at solving them by throwing you into different situations and challenges. To experience simulation learning, explore key skill set. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more learning adventures.